Hello, and welcome to Miss Boyle's 4th grade online classroom. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself and what I would love to do for this school year. So, I'm going to start with my background. I started my education at Keystone College and continued my education at Bloomsburg University. This is where I graduated with a bachelor's degree in early childhood education with a minor in K-12 online teaching. My goal is to help you reach yours. I want to have as much fun as we can while learning. I'm really excited for school to be back in session, and I really hope you are too. If anybody has any questions on anything else that has to do with this course, please email me. This is my email, and it will be posted on the website. I hope to hear from you guys soon, and I can't wait for the school year to begin.